Welcome back, pressure cleaning, pressure washing fraternity. Let's talk hot boxes. You might ask what it is. In addition to a cold water pressure cleaning system to give you hot water. We all know hot water cleans better, cleans faster. So adding a hot box to your current pressure cleaner doesn't need to be an expensive add-on. Hot boxes do vary in configuration, and I'll run you through that. So currently to date, you can see all the information at ionicsystems.com.au. Look out for our new mega site, which is coming very shortly to bluetongueindustries.com.au. You can get us at 1300 88 4566 or shoot us an email, which you can pick up on all our websites. So the first decision you're going to need to make is whether 240 volt or 12 volt. A 12 volt hotbox system is very power dependent. It'll pull nearly 32 amps. So your cold water pressure cleaning system needs a decent charging circuit to be able to keep a battery charged to be able to satisfy a 12 volt hotbox system. This particular 240 volt system is running off a little generator, 2 kVA, but it's only pulling about 1 amp, so we could nearly run this, or we can run this from an inverter. Quite a heavy unit. This Hotbox 5C has a 20 litre diesel fuel tank and temperatures up to 140 degrees. 2.3 millimeter C3 double coil, which is 3/8, and it's a true 5,000 PSI. So there's different 5,000 coil, 4,000 components, and even hot boxes up to 7250 PSI. So you'll be able to flick and tick that depending on your requirements and your setup on your cold water pressure cleaner to match those parameters. 5 litres per minute as a minimum flow and 25 litres a minute as maximum. Simple on-off switch. It's flow dependent. So when we release the gun, the diesel application will stop and we won't produce hot water. Temperature indicator from cold to hot, hot, hot. Let's run you through it. So we've got it hooked up to a cold water pressure cleaning system, which is 3,500 PSI, 15 litres a minute. So we'll dial up some temperature. Turn the system on. We'll get a flow. And if you can't hear that burner through the mic, we've got hot water. We're only on a short run, so we'll get water to the tip quite quickly. So 3,500, 15 litres a minute. And that's coupled to this particular system is an industrial pressure cleaner. There's many in the range, and you can see that on a few of our websites, ionicsystems.com.au or bluetongueindustries.com.au very, very soon. The pressure cleaning range, full soft wash range. But this is the hot box. When we go to shut down, it's always good to run cold water through the coil. We'll dial our temperature back. We can turn the unit off. It'll go down into cool down mode and supply you with endless hot water. Get us on the web. Check out all our other videos under Blue Tongue Industries on YouTube. Many different genres there: pressure cleaning, window cleaning, soft washing, gutter cleaning. We'll catch you on the next video.